Don't wait for your heating and air conditioning unit to break down. It can leave you and your family or your business in a very uncomfortable situation. Hiring the wrong person to fix it can cost you more money and time than you have. Our HVAC specialists are well experienced and fully capable to tackle any problem fast and professionally. Call us for your repair or maintenance so you never lose your temperature. We can even come out the same day. Be sure to schedule regular maintenance on your heating or cooling unit to prevent any interruption in your service. Call us right away.